popular beans in USA. The American farmers grow pinto beans 3 times more than the other beans. The ingredients we need for this recipe is 1 cup of dry pinto beans, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. You can instead use red chili powder, 2 teaspoons of taco seasoning, half teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of cumin powder, and water. Add pinto beans into Instant Pot container and wash thoroughly. 1 tip: to have your beans cooked evenly, do not put your hands in the beans while washing. Add 3 cups of water and salt into washed beans. Put your container into the Instant Pot. Make sure Instant Pot mode is on sealing. Now press the button that says bean/chili. Adjust the time to 40 minutes because we haven't soaked the beans. If you have your beans soaked for at least a few hours, you can adjust the time to 30 minutes. After 40 minutes, our beans are ready. So now let's take them out into a strainer. Add the beans into food processor. Then add all the spices. Add little bit water. Our beans are in a smooth paste.
Our refried beans are ready!
It looks so good. We can use these refried beans in any Mexican dish or eat it as a side dish. Let's try it. So good. It's yummy.
Good.
Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel
For more upcoming